Hi guys. I look everywhere and it's collagen here, collagen there, collagen everywhere. And I got to thinking about it and I want to just put a little bit of perspective on it. At least this is what I think. So the question is collagen all it's cracked up to be? Now, collagen is a structural protein in our bodies. Our cells make collagen. And collagen is like the lattice structure that everything goes on, all right? And it's about, of all the proteins in the body, about 33% is made of collagen. So it's something that's really important. Now, collagen is being sold in many forms. It's in creams for faces. It doesn't get absorbed at all, okay? It's way too big. It doesn't really get into the skin. So I'm not sure that even works. But collagen is also sold as a dietary supplement where you take collagen, and what they do is they take chickens or feathers or cows or what other animals do we eat? Pigs or chicken bills. And they digest the protein and they get the collagen out of it and they package it and they sell it. Now, one of the concerns I have is if you're using collagen, you're eating collagen, it's not a bad thing. You got to make sure that that collagen is coming from an animal that was fed the right things. Because if you're getting collagen from a cow that was fed GMO corn, you are getting GMO corn in that with glyphosate and the rest of it. So you want a source that's organic, okay? It's really organic, proven collagen source. So that's really important. Now, once we eat the collagen, our bodies take it in as any other protein. And it has to be digested, and it gets broken down into amino acids, which are the basics of protein. And what's very interesting about collagen is that the profile of amino acids is very unique. About 15% of the collagen is an amino acid called proline. And another large quantity is glycine. Neither one of these are essential amino acids. Now, when the body takes in non-essential amino acids, it tends to turn them into carbohydrates. So an amino acid is a carbon, hydrogen, oxygen molecule with a nitrogen on it. And we know from earlier studies that when you take in non-essential amino acids, the body takes those and turns them into carbohydrates. So since about 40% or so of collagen molecule isn't really, the amino acids aren't usable by us, a lot of it isn't usable and it's going to get turned into a carbohydrate. Now, one study that I saw showed that the amino acid utilization of collagen was about 28%. It's less than meat, it's less than fish, it's less than eggs. It's somewhere between dairy and meat. So it's not even a very high quality protein compared to meat. You're better off having meat. Now, it's not a bad thing. Our bodies can use it, but it's a food. And it's not like, well, we eat collagen and then it turns into collagen in our body. That isn't the way it works. We eat collagen, it's a protein, the protein gets broken down, then our body does what it wants with the amino acids that it takes in. And since the amino acid profile is very skewed compared to what we need, then there's a lot of them that don't get used, and our body will turn those into a carbohydrate. So I think the message is things like bone broth are fine. There is a little bit of collagen in there, about 10 grams per serving. It's a good food. There are minerals in there and vitamins, and it's a healthy part of a healthy diet. I think it's great. I think powdered collagen is you're better off putting a couple of eggs in your smoothie than you are a scoop of collagen, because those foods will deliver to you about 48% of the proteins in there we will actually use. They're better. So just something to think about. It's the newest and the greatest, and it's put in all kinds of things. It isn't a bad thing. But as a form of protein, it is less than the good ones, which are meat, fish, eggs, and it's better than dairy products. But make sure that your source is good, that it's organic. It's certified organic animals that they made the collagen out of. And then I think as an addition to something that you want to eat, it's totally fine. Okay? Hope this helps.